Hey Joel, where are we?
Rainbow Beach.
We just drove all afternoon. We actually drove for so long. How many hours? Like 3?
4.
4? Wow. We did do a bit of a detour though. And now we're going to have dinner and go for a little walk. And then we're camping for the next 2 or 3 days. So I am taking you guys along with me and I'm gonna vlog it.
Cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't, but you still hit my phone up. And baby, I'll be moving on. And I think it should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong.
Morning. So what's for breakfast, Joel?
Just right.
Cereal?
Yep.
Yay! Are you making me breakfast?
Yes. Super hard.
I know, seriously. How was the surf?
Awesome. Swim with turtles.
I know, it's so fun.
Surf.
Can I like include your turtle footage in my vlog? You're like, that's for mine.
We'll both have it. Check out my vlog. Please tell me other than that.
I have a scrunchie, yeah, right there.
I lost mine.
Let me see it. Nice scrunchie, Joel.
I lost mine myself. Hissing at me.
Really?
Yep. It was just chilling, like it was chill, like Pride Rock.
So Joel just attempted to teach me how to surf for the first time, and I don't think I was too bad.
Hey, we did. You went well.
Yeah?
You went well.
Did I? So Joel took, I think you have footage of that on your GoPro, so he might embarrass me and put that in his vlog, so you can check that out. But yeah, we're gonna eat lunch now and then maybe attempt to surf again after lunch. Joel and I have camped for 2 nights now here at Double Island Point. And now we're heading back to Brisbane. It's Christmas in like 2 days, so we gotta get back. And we had the best time. It has been so beautiful, best weather. And yeah, more adventures to come.